Hey everybody, let's see if we can see this thing very well or not. Daktyl, take 2. Taking it apart with tools. Okay, we took it apart with by hand. Now we're going to take it apart with a pair of pliers. So we just put them in here like this. Isn't that nice? So I just stuffed it right in its belly there, the fattest part of a needle nose pliers. Your plier may be different, but what you're going to do is just open the pliers and it comes right apart. Ta-da. I'll put it together, close the pliers. You can see it's already starting to do its magic here. You could do the same thing with a handle of a hammer or screwdriver, anything that fills in that place right there. Or if you're like me, you have a special pair of pliers that pushes apart. But I'm finding actually it's easier just to rock that up. Back that up. Open it up. I'm going to push up here and down on here because I'm way away from the blade there. Okay, pushing thumb on thumb on the pinched clip and blade back. I'm going to push up till that gets it out of the socket and just rock it to the side. You can see, now it's stable there. And then it's going to rock on out like that. And rock. And like that. So there is Daktyl disassembly.